Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of commercial project of Lodha Group new launch in Lodha Signet, which is located on Kalyanshil Road in Palava City, Dombivli East. In this teaser, we will be discussing about below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. So let's start. First one is project overview. This project will be constructed on 2 acres of land parcel, which will be developed phase wise. Phase 1 already launched. Now launching phase 2 consisting of 1 tower having ground plus 10 floors having premium commercial spaces. Coming to the location part, this project is located bang on Kalyanshil Road in Palava City, Dombivli East with upcoming metro station just 100 meters. Upcoming R Mall is around 200 meters, Tatai Naka at a distance of 1.2 kilometers and Dombivli station is around 4.5 kilometers from this project. Now let's do the master plan and carpet area analysis. As you can see in this image, this is the master plan of Lodha Signet. Here you can see in the image 2 towers, Signet A and Signet B. Coming to the carpet area, Lodha Signet commercial project will have office spaces and doctors enclave with office spaces in the range of 275 to 385 square feet and doctors enclave is around 375 square feet. Now let's see the highlight of project. Grand A Vastu compliance offices, A Grand double height office, entrance lobby, 3 height speed elevators, doctors enclave with dedicated entrance lobby designed for clinics and diagnosis lab, landscaped central plaza with premium retail and food with beverages spaces and many more.
Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan.
This is the unit plan of office space of 275 square feet. This is the unit plan of office space of doctors enclave of 375 square feet. Now let's discuss the booking process. Pre-booking windows are open for clients. Clients can inquire about the township, where our sales team will show the actual location, explain the complete project detail. They will share the pricing and payment scheme. And then if clients like the project, they can book by paying the token amount. This token will have multiple benefits. Number 1, exclusive launch discount. Number 2, preference and inventory selection. And number 3, this token will be 100% refundable. So everyone, this was a teaser of commercial project of Lodha Group, new phase launch, that is Lodha Signet, located on Kalyanshil Road in Palava City, Dombivli East.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.